Hello guys, today I would like to show you a quick look at this quite old but quite nice looking laptop. This is the Compaq Armada 1520 and I was making it working, so I would like to show you what we've got over here. So it's quite beefy like the old times. The interesting thing which I very like is that it have built-in AC to DC adapter, so you just plug it straight to the AC outlet. On the back we've got a PS2 keyboard mouse connector, we've got infrared, we've got a port for a fan, because if you run it on high CPU the fan is start working, which is okay. We've got a connector for the docking station. We've got the AC input, we've got a color RGB monitor output, we've got a printer output, and we've got also a serial. On the side we've got a CD-ROM drive, which is only for a read. We've got a volume adjustment, and we've got a very nice connector for the microphone and the headphones. Over here we've got a battery. I'm not going to pull it over because I make it suspend on a game, and I'm going to show you in a second. From the front we've got a nice thing, we can see the LED status when the lid is closed, and as you can see we've got a suspension. We've got our speaker, and on the other side we've got a floppy disk drive, and we've got a PCMC slot for expansion, and over here is place for the modem dial-up, and we can remove that flap and we insert a dial-up modem if you would like to expand it. On the other video I show how to access the hard disk drive and the memory for the upgrade, and you have to remove the keyboard to access the main board. And that's basically all that you can see from the external. There is an interesting thing. So as you can see, quite nice speaker. We've got a touchpad, left screen, left click, right click. Our keyboard. This one is working for the suspend. We've got a nice sticker Intel Pentium inside. I believe that is something along Pentium 1. And we can unsuspend it and we will run on the game. Just give it a second, and as you can see we've got a game running. I'm going to kill the light for a second because I would like to show you something. And if you like to change the brightness level, you've got your function key, and over here you've got keys for adjustment, and if you press it you've got an icon over here. And I was weird why it does not work, because on that element you have to use the left and right keys to control, as you can see. So yes, that's quite uncommon. As you can see, you've got room for the adjustment, but you use left and right to slide. I have set it before on situation like that I cannot see very well, and I was pressing the function key and I was weird like why it does not working. But yes, it does work. You have to use the arrow keys. So let's just run that game for a second. I'm not going to play, of course, it. And just let's see how it's running. I'm not an expert. This is just an experiment, because this is not my computer and I will have to give it back, but it's always nice to play. You can definitely see the refresh rate on the LCD screen. It's quite slow and it's getting blurry. The response is bad, but that's how the screen LCD looks that way. But it's working. It's working quite nice. The sound is pretty good from the two speakers. Okay, I fail. So yeah, that's how it looks like. In my opinion, quite nice. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time and bye bye.